Hello again. One of the most commonly overlooked things people do when they inventory their collections is they fail to properly document their sales and purchase receipts. Another thing to always do properly is to record any certificates of authenticity you may have for your stamps. Today I will show you how easily this can be done in EzStamp using the unlimited custom fields available to you. You can define as many custom fields as you like. They can be of almost any type, such as value fields, quantities, images, websites, or documents such as PDF files or Word documents. This makes EzStamp highly extensible. This feature is often overlooked and has been in EzStamp for at least 15 years, if not longer. Let's have a look and see how to make the best use of it. First, to see the custom fields, we go to the View menu and click on Custom Fields window. And that'll bring up any custom fields that you've already predefined. And in this example here, I've already defined a field called certificates, another one called website, and another one called receipt. And I'll show you how we can add more. So for this particular stamp, I've already scanned the certificate that I have for this particular stamp. And to see it, you just hold down the Control key and click on this ellipsis button here. And there is an image of the certificate that I have for this particular stamp. You can also see the sales receipt. So if you want to see the receipt that you got from whatever dealer that you purchased your stamp from, again, Control and click on the ellipsis, and then you can scan in your sales receipt, and you can go back to the certificate or whatever else that you want. You can also keep track of dealers' websites or any other interesting websites that you may want to associate with this particular stamp. And to visit that website, you just click on the Go button after you've entered the URL. And then that'll fire up your browser, and you can visit that site and do what you need to do. So let's close that. So let's show you how we can add another field. I'm going to add a field here, and the way we do that is we go to the Utility menu, we go to Custom Fields Editor, and now what we want to do is enter a new field, and let's say we wanted to keep track of some kind of a document that was associated with this stamp, whether it was a Word document or a PDF file. So all we need to do is click on the plus sign to add a field, and then we give it a name. So I'm just going to call it Documents. And the display name will be the same, and I'll copy that to all the other fields. Now your data type, there's a whole slew of available options, but you can choose any of the ones that's appropriate, whether it's text, whole numbers, currency, a date, a yes, no field. In this particular instance, we're going to choose a web URL, which can actually point to anything. So we're going to click OK, and there's our new field, and we'll save it. So as you can see, we now have a new field called Documents. Now, if you scanned your document or you've got some kind of a PDF file or whatever it is, just paste it in here. So there's the path to where the document is, and we'll save it. And if you want to view it at any time, just click on Go, and then that'll fire up whatever document that is. So here's a sample Word document that I created just to associate with this. So as you can see, you can pretty well link pretty much anything that you like. Again, you can view the images simply by clicking on the, hold down the Control key and click on the image, and on the ellipsis button, and you've got your image available. It's always very important to document as much as you can, especially for your higher valued stamps. This can be very helpful to your heirs, and if you buy and sell a lot of stamps, if you are ever audited, you will have proof of your purchases and sales. Thanks for watching, and let us know if there are any other topics that you would like us to cover. Bye for now.